We all dream of going home to a serene space or somewhere that blends in with nature like the Mediterranean lifestyle, but there are easy ways to have one. Now, you don't need to move out to have a relaxing house because you can achieve the Mediterranean-themed home with these decorating guides. Shades of blue, green, yellow tones and hues of tan or beige are great choices for wall paintings or furniture. These colors also seem soothing in the eyes, which gives a relaxing ambience. Complement some texture and patterns. You can accomplish it with rough details and pieces of furniture such as rustic wooden walls, ceilings, or dark floors. Allow the natural light to come in by opening your spaces. Choose to have a wider or arched window and let the light emphasize the beautiful colored wall. Incorporate your home with carefully chosen pieces that will add to the vibe, such as a grand mirror's Mediterranean mirror. Indoor plants help in circulating the air and complete the serene atmosphere of a Mediterranean home.